I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Want a YouTube channel that grows while you sleep? Here's how to build an automated system that works for you. Now, anybody can build 13 channels to over 100,000 subscribers each. And the truth is, most of those channels have some level of automation built into them. Now, automation doesn't mean no work. It means smart work. It means building systems so that when you do put in the work, your results compound and can make you more money than if you were just working every day, doing all the work manually. The first step of any successful YouTube channel is to pick a good niche. What is going to be the topic of your channel? But you want to choose an evergreen niche. That way you can create videos that will stay relevant for a long time. You can create videos once, and they'll still be getting views weeks, months, even years later. A great example of this is finance. You can make a video about investing in real estate or the stock market, and it will be relevant forever. After you've chosen your niche, you need to decide what kind of videos you're going to make. For example, are you going to make tutorials, product reviews, or something else? You should consider what kind of videos are going to perform well in your niche. Are people searching for them? Are they getting lots of views? This process is called research. Then you need to script your videos. Now you could do this yourself, but I recommend outsourcing it because it's much faster and you can focus on other areas of your business. There are many places online where you can hire a writer for cheap. I suggest posting a job ad on a freelance platform. In the ad, explain the type of videos you want, what topics you want covered, and how long the script needs to be. Be sure to offer a fair price and you'll get a lot of applications. When choosing a writer, be sure to look at their portfolio and reviews from previous clients. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Quality is important here, and you'll get what you pay for. Once you've found a good writer, ask them to take a test. Send them a video topic and see what they come up with. If you don't like it, try someone else. Once you find a writer you like, you're set. You can send them all of your future video topics, and they'll write them all for you. Wait a second. We want to be able to automate our voiceovers too. So we can create an unlimited number of videos without having to spend hours recording our own voiceover for each one. So how do we do that? Well, there's a really cool tool out there that lets you record your voice once and then synthesizes your voice infinitely. It takes about 20 minutes to get started. All you have to do is sign up and then follow the prompts. They will send you a microphone, and you'll use that to record your voice. Once you've recorded your voice, the system will analyze it and then synthesize your voice. It's like creating a clone of your voice that can talk forever. The best thing is, you only have to do this once. After that, you can upload your scripts to the website and then select your clone to read them. Then you can download the audio file and use it in your videos. Finding B-roll is hard and time-consuming. It's also necessary for almost any type of YouTube video unless you run a cooking channel or something. So here's how to find stock footage for free. First, think about your video topic. Is it about gaming? Maybe cars or travel? Then search for keywords related to your topic. Say we're making a video about dogs. You might search for dog or puppy. Then click on images. If we scroll down, we'll eventually find a section called Labeled for Reuse. These images can be used in our video. Just right-click and save the image. Keep doing this until you have enough B-roll for your video. If you want to speed up this process, you can use a paid stock site. They have a vast library of B-roll and footage that you can download. It costs around $29 a month. You can download as much B-roll as you want. It's important to post consistently on YouTube. That means uploading new videos on a regular schedule. This helps to grow your audience because people know when to expect new content from you. The problem is, posting consistently is time-consuming. You have to edit, upload, and optimize each video, but there are tools available that can help automate this process. For example, you could use a video editing software to edit your videos. You can set up templates for the intro and outro of your videos and simply fill in the blank space with your video topic. You can also schedule your videos to be published automatically. To do this, simply upload your video and then click on Visibility. Select Scheduled and then click on the date and time you want your video to be published. Now once you've done all this, you need to start getting some views. No matter what anyone says, YouTube views equal money. Views equal subscribers. Views equal brand awareness. Without views, you're not going to grow on YouTube. Now you could try doing ads, but honestly, I'd rather grow organically. It's cheaper and it's easier. So here's exactly what I would do to get my first 1,000 views. First, you need to find a trending topic in your niche. You can do this by using a content research tool. Once you've found a trending topic, you need to make a video about it. Video should be high quality and relevant. That means it should answer the search intent. People search for this topic. Why? What do they want to know? Make sure your video answers that question. You want to get even more views, you can promote your video on social media. Share it with your friends and family. Post it on your Facebook page. Tweet about it. Share it on LinkedIn. You can even run Facebook ads to promote your video. There are many ways to track the growth of your YouTube channel. You can use analytics to track views, subscribers, and watch time. You can also track your growth on social media. This will give you a sense of how your content is performing and what areas you need to improve on. Automation doesn't mean no work. It means smart work. It means building systems so that when you do put in the work, your results compound and can make you more money than if you were just working every day doing all the work manually. I know it's tempting to try and do everything yourself, but you'll burn out. Trust me, I've been there. The key is to find tasks that you can outsource without sacrificing quality. Outsource the tasks that you hate doing or that you're not good at. That way you can focus on the things that really matter. So if you want to grow a successful YouTube channel, don't try and do everything yourself. Automate as much as possible. Use tools to help you edit your videos. Use AI to create your voiceovers. Find B-roll using a content research tool or stock sites. And be sure to track your results using analytics. Automation doesn't mean no work. It means smart work. It means building systems so that when you do put in the work, your results compound and can make you more money than if you were just working every day doing all the work manually. Thanks for watching. See you next time.